Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today's video is about seasoning a clay pan or a mud pan. So this is a clay pan which I bought a few days ago. I liked it because of the handle. It's a traditional clay pan and this is the size of the pan. I'm going to show you how I season the clay pan. There may be many different methods to season clay pan. This is the method I follow. I've been doing this for many years and this works well for me. After bringing it home, I rinsed the clay pan a couple of times in plain water and I pat dried it with a clean kitchen napkin. Into the pan, I'm adding in rice water. Rice water, also known as kanji vellam, is obtained by straining cooked rice. This is the rice water from today's lunch. I saved it so that I can use it to season the clay pan. As you can see, the rice water is slightly thick and it comes only halfway of the clay pan. So I'm adding in some water. Now I'm going to allow it to sit like this overnight or for about 10 to 12 hours. I'm doing this process at night. The next day morning, that is around 10 hours later, this is how it looks. I'm simply going to discard the water, the rice water. I discarded the water and there is a little bit of residue rice water in the clay pan. I'm adding in some water. And I'm heating up the water on low flame. And once the water boils, I'll turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. If you put it on high flame, cracks may develop on the clay pan. So on low flame, bring the water to a boil. And once the water starts to boil, the sound which you are hearing right now will start coming out. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. And at this moment I am just swirling the pan. Simmer it for 5 minutes and then turn off the flame and allow the water to cool by itself in the clay pan. The water has cooled down by itself and I'm going to discard the water. Once the water is discarded, rinse the pan with water. Do not use any detergent or dishwashing soap. Rinse it with plain water. There is little water left in the middle. I'm just drying it off with a cotton napkin. And once the pan is heated and steam starts to come, add in a few drops of wood-pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as gingerly oil. And then lightly grease the pan with the sesame oil. Make sure you grease the sides as well. And then turn off the flame. Allow the pan to cool down by itself and once cooled down, it's ready to use. You can make vegetable curries, sambar, dal curry, non-veg curry, anything in this pan. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.